I had some things left over, and I needed to top up some of my plants with some soil, so I thought to enrich them a little bit. As you can see, there are some bulbs showing from the plants. The squirrels, they try to dig them out and eat them. I don't particularly mind because this is all natural stuff and I feel like they have some rights as well. As you can see, the soil is in need of topping up a little bit. So I got to work and I added some leftover things from my lawnmower collector. These are just some grass, old grass, which have started to decompose a little bit. Then I added the soil. Then I have added some leftover coffee grounds, quite old to be honest. They add nitrogen and organic matter. Then I added the eggshells. They mainly serve calcium carbonate, breaks down slowly, so the pH or the calcium effect is gradual rather than immediate. Oats, which add organic matter, feed soil microbes, slow release nitrogen, and have mulching effect. Then I added all this together, and you will see that I have topped up the soil, which look a little bit messy, but I hope they will turn out perfectly fine in the long run, and the plants will get some nutrients. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.